This is Kalimulla. I am going to explain how ionic bond is formed. So I explain ionic bond formation with an example. As example, I take sodium chloride molecule. Sodium chloride molecule is formed by ionic bond. Okay, how sodium chloride molecule is formed by ionic bond? That is now explained. So sodium atom and chlorine atom both when combines sodium chloride molecule formed. Sodium atom, then chlorine atom. Sodium atom, atomic number 11. Then its electronic configuration will be observed. Sodium atom electronic configuration, when we observe, the sodium atom first orbit 2 electrons present, the second orbit 8 electrons present, the third last orbit only 1 electron present. When 1 electron present in its last orbit, sodium could not get stability. So the atom which has 8 electrons only in its last orbit gets stability. But sodium has only 1 electron. Because of that, to the sodium stability not to be present. But always sodium wants to get stability. But how can it get stability? So when we observe its electronic configuration, if this last 1 electron sodium atom gives to any another atom, before to that 8 electrons there. So if sodium atom gives up 1 electron present in the last orbit to any another atom before 8 electrons there, so that the sodium atom can get the stability. Because of that, sodium atom is ready to give this 1 electron to any another atom whenever they require. So that sodium atom is last orbit 1 electron there. So I am showing the electron this. So sodium atom, the last orbit 1 electron there. Now this sodium atom is ready to give this electron to any another atom. Okay. Now see chlorine. Chlorine atomic number 17. Electronic configuration when we observe, in the first orbit 2 electrons, in the second orbit 8 electrons, the last third orbit 7 electrons. So electronic configuration of chlorine is 2, 8, 7. So in the last orbit 7 electrons there. Because of that, chlorine atom could not get stability. Then to get stability, 1 electron is needed. So that chlorine atom is always ready to take 1 electron to get stability. So chlorine atom 1 electron. Then whenever it takes 1 electron, its last orbit, chlorine atom gets stability. So that we can show chlorine atom like this. So in its last orbit 7 electrons there. So we can show 7 electrons in the last orbit this way. So chlorine atom in its last orbit has 7 electrons. We can show in this way. Now sodium atom is ready to give up 1 electron. Chlorine atom is ready to take 1 electron. At that moment, imagine this atom and this atom both reaches nearly. Then what happens? So sodium atom and chlorine atom, when both reaches nearly, then what happens? Sodium atom is ready to give 1 electron. Chlorine atom is ready to receive 1 electron. At that moment, when both coming nearly, then sodium atom gives electron to the chlorine. Whenever sodium atom giving 1 electron to the chlorine atom, it turns to ion. Sodium atom turns to ion, turns to positive ion. Why means giving 1 electron. Electron has negative charge. So that whenever sodium atom gives 1 negatively charged electron to the chlorine, then in the sodium atom 1 positive ion X is present. Because of that, sodium atom turns to ion, positive ion. Now it is sodium positive ion. Then, whenever chlorine atom receives electron, then it turns to negative ion, chloride negative ion. Why means it is taken one electron additionally, so one negative charge additionally joined. Because of that, one negative charge extra there, so that it turns to negative ion. So, chloride negative ion. So that sodium atom giving electron turning to sodium positive ion, chlorine atom receives electron turns to chloride negative ion. And then now this is a positive ion, it is a negative ion. Between these two ions, a type of some force, that is attractive force is formed. So both ions are to be attracted by some force. So that wherever both ions, Y means sodium has a positive ion, chlorine has a negative ion, both are quite opposite ions. Because of that, between them some force is related, some force is existed. So that between ions, the force which is formed, that is called ionic bond. Why means between ions force is formed, so that is called ionic bond. Due to that force, sodium chloride molecule, NaCl molecule is formed. Why means between two ions, ionic bond formed. Why ionic bond means what? Ionic bond means between two quite opposite ions, force of attraction which is formed, it is said to be ionic bond. The force of attraction produced in between two quite opposite ions. The force of attraction formed between two quite opposite ions is called ionic bond. Here also, these two are quite opposite ions. Between them, a type of force of attraction formed, means ionic bond formed. Due to that molecule, NaCl molecule is formed. So, ionic bonds produced in molecules